Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the support system in the Tripscout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the contact support button. So as you can see, there are 3 ways to get in touch with them. So you can write them on WhatsApp. You can chat with them on Messenger, and then you can also send them an email. So just choose the option that is most suitable for you. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.